Lean into the gun a little bit. Can you see the sign? You see it front sight?
Yeah.
Put it right on that down there, all right? Take your finger off trigger. Right here. Right here. Push that over. All right, now when you touch that gun's gonna go off. Get that gun up, get it up in your shoulder. How'd you do?
Good.
You hurt?
No.
All right.
How was it?
Good.
All right, let's walk out there and see if you hit it. See all them little, see all those little holes on it?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like you hit it. You did pretty good. What do you think about that?
Good.
Pretty cool. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.